want to show you in a moment something really remarkable happened. I pulled to the gas station to get a hot dog, and I met young people working there, young gentleman, Jonathan, and he was so interested in my camera and the motorcycle that he asked me if I have a YouTube channel, if I'm recording this, and he wanted to be interviewed. He had a message, and it was really touching my heart what has happened, and I want you to see this. Hello gentlemen, this is a YouTube video. This is a little YouTube video, and this young man wanted to be interviewed, maybe with the bike, and unfortunately the setup is such the microphone is in the helmet. You see this?
Yeah.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Jonathan.
And you're from here?
Yeah, I'm from Middlesex, Virginia. I don't know.
Do you want to say something to your girlfriend?
I don't have no girlfriend.
Or your mother?
I got a wife.
Or your wife?
I have a wife and a beautiful daughter. I love y'all so much. I just thank God for being here.
Yes, it's a beautiful day today.
Yeah, it is definitely a beautiful day today.
Would you say that people do not appreciate what they have? Yeah. And they constantly think that the grass is greener on the other side?
Yeah, definitely. That.
It sometimes affects me, you know?
Yeah.
And then at the bottom, at the end of the day, I look at my life, I'm healthy. Would you say that?
Yeah. They complain about so much. I do too, but I'm human, but you know, I try not to complain about too much, you know what I'm saying? Because there is no point of complaining, you know. It just makes you deep. It makes you go deeper in the bitter barrel. So, you know, I just try to live my day by day and just thank God for me living and trying to be the best I can be.
Do you think that people believe in God these days?
Well, right now, no. I mean, they got their own way. They got their own idol of God. You know, if it's their money or their vehicle or their humans, you know, they try to wipe God out the picture. And right now, I know for a fact that God and Jesus Christ is living in me, you know, so I got to do the best I can do so I can spread the word and let people know, my brothers and sisters, that Jesus Christ is here, you know. Everybody talking about he coming back, but he's already here, you know, so.
Already here in your heart, you think?
Yeah, definitely, most definitely.
All right, man, this was such a pleasure for me to meet you.
Yes, sir.
And thank you very much, and all the best to you, brother.
You too, brother.
All right. You never know who you are meeting, and sometimes you meet people who touch you in an amazing way, and you would never guess who that person will be. Sometimes you meet somebody out of the blue doing something, and this person says something or makes a comment, and it can be very, very deep encounter, something like the Lord himself tapped you on the shoulder and told you, you're alright, don't worry too much, it's all good, I'm in charge. Yeah. I also met another young man, Eric. He was working at the gas station, interested in my camera. Turns out the young man has great dreams of traveling far and abroad. He already visited England, Scotland, and it has opened his eyes upon how other people live in different countries. I recorded him a little bit, and then he was so gracious. I bought a hot dog and he says, oh, it's on me. I felt like a celebrity. Please enjoy the interview with these two young men, Virginia natives, wonderful people. So when you travel on the bike, you really never know who you meet on the road. This is a young gentleman I just met. I asked him about a hot dog because I'm starving, and he told me that he has huge plans. Tell me your name.
My name is Eric.
Eric?
Yes, sir.
This is where the microphone is in the...
Okay.
Yeah, so you're Eric and you travel to London.
Yeah, I've been there twice already, and I've been to Scotland too, so I've seen some of the other world. But
You love it?
I do. It's very pretty out there because you don't see how pretty everything is towards your own country, because you see it all the time. When you go to somebody else's country and you look at it, it's a totally
And you
different
appreciate
thing.
you appreciate
Yes.
different people.
Exactly. You appreciate different people, the different things that they have and offer. It's such an amazing experience to be able to do that.
Yes, and it is quite important to learn foreign languages
Yes, it is.
because it really opens your doors.
It does to different conversations with people,
Yeah.
and you learn a lot better, because sometimes you can't translate everything the same way.
So Eric has a message to all of you. Travel abroad. Look at other people. Get some humility.
Yes, you need to watch other people and help them out as best you can, and be very observant around you of what is happening.
All right. So this is just a little surprise meeting here in West Point. We are wishing Eric all the best. He is traveling to Germany very soon, and then through Poland into Russia to see Vladimir Putin himself and deliver a message. Putin, maybe you are misrepresented out there. I don't know. All the best.
Yes, all the best to you too, sir.
Peace out.
Peace out.
One message that I would like to repeat over and over in these vlogs is there is a spiritual dimension to riding motorcycles, and especially riding bikes long distance alone. And it is something that can really help you recover from darkness, from too much comfort in life, because the motorbike will put you face to face with yourself. Long hours, long days, thousands of miles alone on the road will strip away the couch mentality, the settling for less, and you will face yourself, your own stamina, your own spirit, your own heart, and it's really a great experience. It is not an experience that is entertainment or pleasure. It is rather a soul experience. Your soul will rejoice. Anyways, just wanted to touch base with you. I'm still riding, and thank you very much. See you next ride.